In today's video, I'll be breaking it down step by step on how I gain 1.5 million views on Facebook. You think it's a joke, right? I will break it down, the strategy, the tips, the tricks that I use to gain 1.5 million views on my Facebook page. If you are ready, let's go. It all started when I uploaded a video that I believe it will resonate with my audience. But I didn't just rely on the content alone. I had strategies behind it. You see, on Facebook, the algorithm loves content that is shared over and over again. I made sure my video was relatable, concise, and tap into that everybody will be talking about at that moment. And 4 strategies that I use on my Facebook page gave me 1.5 million views. Step 1, crafting shareable content. Step number 2, timing is crucial. I knew the best time to post, which is crucial for maximizing your reach. I analyzed my audience, the best time they are most active online. Then I schedule my post to suit the time they are online. And one of the strategies that helped me to gain 1.5 million views in 4 days is Facebook group. What I did was to share my video on a group. And this is another strategy. When you upload your video, there is every tendency that your videos will not be approved by the admins. So what do? You chat the admins of each group up and beg them that you want to upload your videos there. Most of them will respond to you and others will not respond to you. Another approach that you will use for your page to be approved on Facebook group is for you to buy Facebook group. When you buy Facebook group, you have every right to your group and you can share your videos to your group. So the more Facebook group you have, the more you can share your videos there. And every views you get from your Facebook group, it reflects on the content you've posted on your page. This is how I got my 1.5 million views on my content. The video has gone viral and is still counting. And if you know that this video has been helpful to you, please turn on your notification bell, subscribe on my YouTube channel so that when I post new content, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. See you in the other video. Bye for now.